Hey partners, today on this video I'm going to show you how to bump the shoulder and how to set up the dies properly, which is part of bumping the shoulder, and also cam over. So I assume there's slob, a little bit of slob in the machine and the parts, so that's why you might need some cam over. And also I checked online and they said that the reason why is once you close it, there's a little gap, like a mini gap when there's brass, and it won't go all the way up, because once you seat it, you assume that it's gonna touch, like it's gonna be zero fit, but it's not. There's still a gap. I think because of the slop of the loose tolerance at the bottom, like looser here, like there's give here and probably there's give there, but it don't matter. Whatever the theory is, don't matter. It's just what happens to it. So this is a fire brass. This is a fire brass right here, and there's a primer. You have to take the primer out to have the right measurement. So let's measure it. So that's wrong. 2625. 1.6275. That's wrong. So I don't want to bump it at all, so I'm gonna back it up some. That way, don't touch the shoulder. A little bit some because it's gonna neck size it. So I'm just removing. So since I backed it up, it's not gonna bump it at all. So now that's the proper size. 1.6245. 624 thou and a half. And I got a virgin brass here. I believe it's 1.620 for virgin brass. I'll show you. Oh, right here. That's brand new. 308. They're both 308. That's brand new. So I guess it's 1.621 and a half. 22. And I was, what was I there? 22s. 25 and a half. 25. So about 3 thou. 2 thou roughly. 2.5 thou head space. So I'll show you. So 24 and a half right now. Now this is seated to the bottom. And by the way, this is the Foster neck sizer plus bump, shoulder bump. So looks like it might have bumped it half a thou. No, didn't. So exact same. Now, and this is the Reading competition seat plus 2. And this is the RCBS shell holder. And this will bump at 5 thou. And this one will bump it about 2. We'll find out. So it's already touching, right? So put it in an eighth of a turn. Lock it. Let's put some more lube in because this case's hardening too right now. And cam over. So at first I never really knew about the cam over. Now that's about 2 thou right there. 2.5 thou back. A bit more now. 3 thou. 3 thou bump. And I got another one that's 4 thou more, so it will only bump it 1 thou. But this is really old brass, so I'm gonna bump it 3 thou or 2, whatever that is, just to make sure it fits, because this brass is really old, and it wasn't really fire form for my current rifle. It's been fired different rifles. Yeah, so that's how you set up your dies. Same thing you do with the full length. You have to do that, or else it won't really bump the shoulders at all. And that's how cam over works. This is the first time I did that. I actually did it wrong. I was really only on a full length size. I was only doing this, but I wasn't bumping much of here. Just a little bit. So I'm glad, because I actually wanted to shoulder bump, but I wasn't doing it right for some reason. I mean, now I know, but I never figured. I was like, what's going on? I thought I had zero headspace, and I probably did too for a different rifle. Maybe I'll find out eventually. I'll have to measure it. I'll let you know if I do have a rifle that has 0 headspace or 1 thou headspace. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good one.